Hello, ocean enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Welcome to an intriguing exploration into the unseen depths of our world's oceans. Our journey today takes us far from the sunlit surface, down to the inky blackness of the deep sea, a realm brimming with mysteries and marvels that lie far beyond our reach. The ocean, with its vastness and depth, is a world within our world. It covers over 70% of our planet, yet, astonishingly, more than 80% of it remains unexplored. Yes, you heard it right. The majority of our world's oceans are yet to reveal their secrets. The deep sea, a place of perpetual darkness, extreme pressure, and frigid temperatures, poses great challenges to exploration. As we descend deeper into the ocean, the pressure increases by 1 atmosphere for every 10 meters of water, reaching over 1,000 times the surface pressure in the deepest parts. This is akin to having 50 jumbo jets piled on top of you. The temperatures in these depths can drop to just above freezing, creating a hostile environment for most life forms. Yet, life, in its tenacious spirit, thrives even in such extreme conditions, adapting in ways that boggle the mind. Light, or rather the lack of it, is another challenge in the deep sea. Beyond a depth of 1,000 meters, sunlight cannot penetrate, plunging the ocean into eternal darkness. This darkness makes navigation and observation difficult, and has kept much of the deep sea hidden from our eyes. Yet despite these formidable conditions, the allure of the deep sea is irresistible. It beckons with the promise of new discoveries, of strange and wondrous creatures, of resources untapped and mysteries unsolved. It is a frontier as exciting and daunting as the vastness of space. So sit tight as we dive into the abyss to uncover the secrets of the deep sea. Our journey is just beginning, and who knows what wonders await us in the uncharted depths of our world's oceans. Let's plunge into the mysterious world of deep sea creatures, where survival takes on a whole new meaning. Such a world may seem alien to us, yet it's home to a plethora of life forms that have evolved, adapted, and flourished in conditions that would be instantly fatal to most land-dwelling species. One of the most striking adaptations of these abyssal dwellers is bioluminescence. This phenomenon, akin to a natural neon light show, is not just for show. Many deep-sea creatures, like the fascinating anglerfish, use this glow to lure unsuspecting prey into their mouths. Imagine having a fishing rod attached to your head, but the bait is a glowing, irresistible light. That's the life of an anglerfish. Survival in the deep sea isn't just about luring dinner to your doorstep. It's also about withstanding the crushing pressures of the deep. The pressure at these depths can be over 1,000 times greater than at sea level. Yet, creatures like the giant squid thrive here. They've evolved soft, flexible bodies that can withstand these extreme pressures. It's as if they're made of the most resilient rubber imaginable. And let's not forget about life without sunlight. The deep sea is a world of perpetual darkness, making it one of the most challenging environments on our planet. Yet creatures like the viperfish have adapted to this lack of light. They've developed large tubular eyes that are incredibly sensitive to the faintest glimmers of light, allowing them to spot the bioluminescent signals of potential prey or predators. These adaptations are just the tip of the iceberg. The deep sea is teeming with creatures that have evolved unique survival strategies, each more fascinating than the last. From the goblin shark's protruding jaws to the gulper eel's massive mouth, these creatures have evolved in ways that continue to perplex and amaze us. These alien-like creatures illustrate just how little we understand about our own planet. The deep sea, our planet's final frontier, continues to reveal its secrets, one bizarre creature at a time. Beyond its biodiversity, the deep sea holds a wealth of resources that could impact our future. You may find it surprising, but beneath the ocean's surface, a treasure trove of precious minerals and metals awaits discovery. These aren't your typical gold and silver. Oh no. We're talking about an abundance of rare earth elements, the likes of which are crucial for various technologies that we use daily. Picture this: your smartphone, your electric car, your wind turbine. They all rely on these rare earth elements. Yet their supply on land is dwindling and recycling can only go so far. So, where do we turn to next? The answer lies beneath the waves, in the deep and dark corners of our oceans. But as with any treasure hunt, there are challenges. Deep sea mining is no exception. Imagine the immense pressure, the pitch-black darkness, the sub-zero temperatures. These conditions make mining operations incredibly difficult, not to mention expensive. And let's not forget the potential environmental implications. Mining these minerals could disrupt the delicate balance of deep-sea ecosystems, potentially causing irreversible damage. We're talking about a world that we've barely begun to understand, home to countless species that are yet to be discovered. Disturbing this environment could have unforeseen consequences, ones that could ripple across the globe. But with the right approach, we might be able to strike a balance. Advances in technology are making deep-sea mining more viable, and with careful regulation and oversight, we might just be able to extract these valuable resources without causing too much harm. So as we look to the future, we must bear in mind the potential and the pitfalls of deep-sea mining. It's a complex issue, one that requires careful thought and consideration. But one thing's for sure, the deep sea isn't just a realm of mystery and wonder, it's a potential goldmine waiting to be tapped. The deep sea isn't just a mysterious world, it's a potential treasure trove. The deep sea holds ancient secrets and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. A realm of darkness, pressure, and cold. It's a place where the rules of life as we know it are rewritten. One such enigma is the Mariana Trench. Plunging to a depth of more than 7 miles, it's the deepest part of our planet's oceans. Yet, we know more about the surface of the moon than we do about the depths of this trench. What creatures lurk in its inky depths? What undiscovered phenomenon might be taking place right now beneath the waves? And then there's the Bermuda Triangle, a section of the Atlantic Ocean bounded by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. For centuries, it has been shrouded in mystery, with numerous ships and aircraft disappearing without a trace. While scientific explanations suggest magnetic anomalies or sudden rogue waves, the truth remains elusive. But perhaps the most captivating mystery of the ocean is the existence of the elusive giant squid. For centuries, sailors have spun tales of monstrous sea creatures with long tentacles and huge unblinking eyes. It was not until the late 20th century that we obtained the first images of these incredible creatures. Yet, they remain one of the ocean's greatest enigmas, with much of their behavior and life cycle still unknown. These mysteries of the ocean are not just tales of the unknown, they are reminders of how little we truly understand about our planet. The deep sea, much like outer space, is a place where reality can often seem stranger than fiction. As we continue to explore these depths, who knows what other mysteries we might uncover, what other creatures we might encounter, and what other stories we might have to tell. The deep sea, in all its mystery and wonder, continues to captivate us, reminding us that even in this age of exploration and discovery, there are still places on our planet that remain uncharted and full of mystery. The final frontier on Earth isn't in the skies above, but in the depths below. As we plunge into the future of deep-sea exploration, we're not just diving into the unknown, we're diving into a realm of untapped potential. It's a world that's as alien to us as the surface of Mars, yet it's right here on our own planet. Advancements in technology are propelling us into this new era of ocean exploration. Submersibles, once clunky and limited, are becoming more streamlined and capable. These underwater vessels are our eyes and ears in the deep, equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors that can withstand the intense pressure of the ocean's depths. They're our ticket to a world unseen. Then there are the underwater robots, also known as remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs. These remarkable machines are revolutionizing the way we explore. They're smaller, more agile than manned submersibles, and they can go places humans can't. With powerful lights and cameras, they're capturing stunning images of the deep and bringing back invaluable data. This exploration isn't just about satisfying our curiosity. It holds profound implications for science, conservation, and humanity. The deep sea is a treasure trove of biodiversity, and every expedition uncovers new species. It's a living laboratory where we can study life in extreme conditions, and it may even hold clues to the origins of life on Earth. Equally important is the role of conservation. Our seas are under threat from pollution, overfishing, and climate change. To protect them, we first need to understand them. That's where deep-sea exploration comes in. By shedding light on these unseen depths, we're not only unveiling a hidden world, we're also gaining the knowledge we need to preserve it. So, as we continue to explore these unseen depths, who knows what other wonders we'll find? As the saying goes, we know more about the surface of the moon than we do about the depths of our own oceans. But with every dive, with every discovery, we're closing that gap. We're on the brink of a new era of exploration, and the future of deep-sea exploration is bright indeed. Before we wrap up, we'd like to share a special promotion with our viewers. We've teamed up with an innovative technology company to offer you a unique opportunity, the chance to sponsor an ROV on its next deep-sea mission. Your sponsorship will not only help fund critical exploration efforts, but it will also give you a front-row seat to the action. You'll receive exclusive updates and footage from your sponsored ROV, bringing the mysteries of the deep sea right to your doorstep. To participate, simply follow the link in the description below to our partner's website. There, you can choose your sponsorship level and learn more about the ROVs you'll be supporting. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity. Now let's get back to our exploration.